Hello there. We have something new to feature for this episode. It's a Bikol knife, but technically this knife is bordering on the so-called Plamingko profile. So it's a mini bolo technically, although some people still consider this a knife because of its size. The features of this blade can be gleaned upon from the outside. The hilt is the most peculiar element because it's a rare hilt carving. It's made of water buffalo, and in fact this is a mere restoration project by the TMS. We used bullet casing for the tongue rivet. It's actually a Garand rifle bullet casing, an empty shell. That's for the barat. And typical of some Zanzibar blades, Visayan blades, although this one is a Bikol blade. There's adornment on the eyes, to make it look red. From here you would observe that the hilt is actually a vintage hilt. This in fact is a vintage blade, but we had it restored. The restoration is 2021, finished on April 25. We have bronze ferrule, bronze scabbard locks or bakurong, 3 of them. The scabbard is made of barayong wood, red hardwood. Now let's try to open the blade. We already unsheathed the blade, so indeed it is a Plamingko profile. I think the spine thickness is at around 6 inches. No, 6 inches, I'm sorry. 0.6 centimeters. The belly is at around 2 inches. The blade itself is at around 10 inches. Scabbard hilt is only around 5 inches to 6 inches. Bikol blades are known for their historical value and folk art value, particularly the features on the hilt, especially the carving. Check our earlier videos on the various types of hilt carvings as per Bikol blades. So indeed this is barayong wood, red wood. It's something you carry easily when you are camping or hiking, or when you're working in the farm, or doing FMA or Filipino martial arts routines. By the way, this item this is still to be polished, although this is quite sharp already. This requires some polishing, and maybe I'll post a picture of this on the page, the Minasbad Shop page, after I polish this. This is fresh from the forge, and this is part of the TMS gallery or research finds collection. We just had this restored after finding it. Yeah, there. Ideal carry when you are hiking. Not very heavy and not very long. Okay, won't impede your movements, particularly when you're riding a bike or a motorcycle or bicycle, or when you are doing hiking proper. So what do you think? Check my other videos if you wanna learn more about Bikol blades, because the TMS is Bikol blades research entity, although we also produce Bikol blades. Thanks for watching, and remember, the pen is mightier with a sword.